In this video, we are going to discuss about creating a named standard access list. So here, the named standard access list can be used to filter only one source IP address and can deny the entire group. So we'll see the differences, but here when you compare this difference with the numbered, then it is having the same terms of functionality, but it is having its own syntax. So we define the standard named access list including one permit statement and one deny statement. So for this, you have to go into the privilege exit mode using enable command and go into the configuration mode here. You see enable, it enables into the privilege exit mode, and again configure terminal will take you into the configuration mode here. So you see that IP access list will give extended and standard access list information clearly, so that we are defining an access list by the name called standard corp. So here IP access list, so we are defining it standard corp here. So in the standard corporation company, you see that we use class B network 172.18.0.0 belonging to the operations department. So we wanted to deny this and also have the logs of the denial. You see remark deny operations network. So we are denying the operations network to access the router, and also given deny the IP address, the wildcard mask, and also log the details of how many attempts are they making. So after doing that, then the CEO only the CEO has to access the router. You see the IP address 172.16.3.24 is of the CEO host, so that he still needs to have access, so that we have to create a permit statement here. So given as a remark option, give access to CEO's host. So what is the host address? It is given as IP address 172.16.3 and 24 with all the bits to take into consideration. We have given wildcard mask at 0.0.0.0 and n. So it will create access only to the CEO's host, so that you see if you click or if you type show IP access list, it will show that the access list name as standard IP access list corp. So what are permitting and what are denying? You see permit are 20 packets that of the IP address, and 10 are denied of the IP address of the operations network. So it clearly shows that the IP list command to verify access list has been created, and while using the show IP interface command will give you the interface of the inbound and outbound flow of traffic. So you see the clear example of the diagram. This interface is FA0/0 and 0/1. We are getting into the interface FA0/1, so that we are denying operations network having access and also permitting only to CEO's host here. So we have to again give access group details here. So given of the fast Ethernet, that means from which interface that the access is coming, it is FA0/1, given the IP access group as corp in, that means inbound traffic. Then if you use this show IP interface fast Ethernet 0/1, it is clearly given about the Ethernet is up, line protocol is up, internet address is given, and also you see here inbound access list is corp. So this inbound access list for this fast Ethernet 0/1 is getting the denial of the operations network inbound, but accepting or permitting the CEO host inbound. So this is about the named standard access list and how to configure it.